Hey everyone, John Tice here with BidLight. I'm going to walk you through the personal database. So this is where you can set up your templates for each project type, and then any future projects, it'll pull the new data that you've entered in. So you're going to see the BidLight costs that are from our database, but you're able to adjust if you ever find updated prices. So here you can see I'm going to change the price to a little bit lower than ours, and it's also going to show you that you are below the BidLight price. As well, if you put a higher price in, it's going to highlight that by showing a red that you are above our recommended price. You're able to save that and use it for future projects, and that right there is your personal database.